right? Oh. Or maybe I was the right way. Went the right way. You know what I mean. What the fuck? Go away from me. Yeah, just self-destruction. Kill yourself. Wah! Whoa. No! Not again. Die. What the fuck? I'm so stupid. So, some more? Yeah. Where are those guys coming from? So much. So, yeah, destroy it. Destroy that. Just turn a little bit around. Bitching, I destroy you all. I don't know where you're coming from, but I destroy you. Oh yeah, this thing. Man, I'm so stupid. Today, my brain's like, no, I don't want to work. Come. Yeah. What's up here? Let's watch. I think we're gonna go back from there to here. Boring. Run. What's there? Oh, there's a goal. There's something, I think. And what's here? Oh, the beginning. Thanks. No. I don't need anything. La 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 la. Go there. Go, Ratchet. So where did we go? There. La 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 la. What the fuck are you? What the fuck? La la la. So that was really stupid. And now? What? Yeah. What for a weapon will we use? I don't have any idea. Quick select. Retard. So what's that? Mine glove? No. Blast that. Maybe we put that in there. Don't have any idea. Blah 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 blah. And now there's some more shitty things, I think. Scared. Boom, bitch. Killing people is fun. No killing robots. I don't kill people. This is a game for kids. Yeah, die. Just die, stupid. Oh man, I'm so bad today at this game. Yeah, thanks for going into that thing. Stupid. Ratchet. Yeah, die, little stupid things. Yeah. And where is he? Where are they? Some more? I think so. Who's that? Just shoot. Why are you running away? Don't wanna get killed. Yeah. My mother wants to something from me, I don't know. I don't care, I just get ammunition. Come on, go.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Yeah, you have. You can suck my little furry ass. Blaster. Yeah. So, 70 minutes? Yeah, it's dinner time, and I'm a little bit hungry, so maybe it's just 2 parts? Hehe, bitch. Yeah, fuck you. So, come on, make your stupid gay jump. Get some in the ass. Not in my ass. Thanks. So, yeah, suicide. Whoa! Ah! Man, I hate this game. Yeah, while killing it, while shooting at it. Man. Yeah, I get some balls. Yeah, I've got to go up there. I'm dead. Again. Man, this sucks. And I have to start again here. I hate it. Man, I'm so bad in this game. Don't even know. Oh, and I'm so fucked up.
Hey, Fuzzball.
Yeah. Maybe I'll just stop it here. I make no progress, just 2 parts, because I'm so fucked up. Yeah, and I'm gonna eat now, make this part done, upload them, maybe just this night, I don't know. Let's look how late it is, and play Trauma Center. Maybe that's better. Oh man, yeah, sorry for this crappy parts. Just did nothing. So, bye till then.